Check out this 35 Dodge. Motor trans rear from a 87 Camaro Z28. Asking $16,500. $16,500, folks. How you doing? Pretty good. I like this little Plymouth. Jeez.
Nice little car.
Very nice car. NortheastWheelsEvents.com. I'll give you a flyer in a few minutes. I want to shoot this video. Oh, too cool. Open the traits. May I open the door? Thank you. Where else are you going to get a coupe like this? Oh, that's great. All the soundproofing. Dash is great. Panels are good. Headliner needs help, but so what? This is a coupe, folks. Look how solid she is. Door closes very nice. Again, $16,500. Oh, bonus, bonus, bonus. It is a rumble seat coupe. How can you pass this up? Oh my gosh. Get down here to Carlisle events and see all this really great stuff. Let's continue on and see what else we can find, eh?